Welcome back. You're watching Power Breakfast on cnbc TV 18. Well, back home on the Lal Street, the Nifty opened higher but failed to see follow-through buying. The index gave up the 10,800 mark to end with a gain of almost 0.5%. Sensex too flirted with the 36,000 mark, only to end 200 points off the day's high. Mid-caps rallied about 0.3%, while HDFC Bank dragged the Bank Nifty, and the index ended with cuts of around 0.2%. But that was about yesterday. A lot has changed overnight, and Sonia joins us with the latest cue. Sonia, good morning. Over to you.
Hi Anisha, good morning. Well, the market cues point out to a positive opening today. On one hand, we had good cues from the Dow. In fact, at least it ended in the green. There was a huge 600-point recovery that we saw, after which the Dow ended up almost about 260 odd points. Not just that, crude continues to fall, so that is a positive for us as well. Yesterday, crude once again hit an 18-month low. Brent crude was down 4.5%. It's trading at a sub $52 a barrel, so that's a positive that the street will take. Also, there was big buying from FIs yesterday, so FIs bought 1,732 crores in the cash market, although there was selling by DIIs. DIIs sold about, not too much actually, about 600 crores or so. If you look at what's been happening with respect to the levels on the index, the Nifty yesterday recovered towards late trade but halted at that 200-day moving average. There were modest gains that we saw. So the 10,770 level is very crucial, which is the 200-day moving average. If we manage to conquer that today, then perhaps the market could take further upsides. However, since it is the weekend, there's also a lot of volatility in the Asian markets. There was volatility in the US markets. Let's see which way things go. Yesterday, the market was aided by a lot of the technology stocks, but we did have banks and the HDFC twins that dragged the market lower. Let's see how that shapes up today.
All right, Sonia, thanks a lot for that. But a lot of the stocks that you'll be watching out for in trade today, I know it's a struggle to get stocks in news as we come close to the end of the year.
It is actually, well, the Tata Group stocks would be in focus. N. Chandra has written a letter to the employees on the outlook for 2019, and they have mentioned macro concerns, liquidity issues, etc. So let's see how some of these stocks like TCS, Tata Motors in any case has been on a downtrend. So let's see how that one shapes up. There's a CNBC Awaaz exclusive where we understand that the cabinet may approve the guidelines for listing of PSU companies. So perhaps a lot of them may be in focus today as well. Some of the unlisted players, some of the ones that have subsidiaries, etc. And Kansai Nerolac, the company, will acquire 100% equity stake in Perma Construction Aids for 29 crores, so a small acquisition over there. But nevertheless, that stock could be in focus as well.
Okay, Sonia, thank you so much for that. We'll let you go on that note, but it's time now for a short break on the show. Up next, we focus on some macro data in terms of the fiscal deficit. More details when we come back.